How do you know when it's the right time to shift yourself out of a difficult emotional state? I think this is an excellent question, and it's not so straightforward. One of the things I deeply believe is that as humans, we need to experience the full range of our emotions. And this includes the ones that I call difficult. Notice I'm calling them difficult and not bad, because even the difficult emotions, especially the difficult emotions, often have wisdom for us. They want to teach us something. Do we need to set a boundary? Do we need to take action on something? Do we need to care for ourselves in a different way? These are some of the things that difficult emotions can help us with. But there are times when it's just not helpful to be experiencing difficult emotions. Sometimes we get in a place where we just can't let them go. And even though we've mined the wisdom from these difficult emotions, they still seem to hang on. And also, we might be in a place where it's just not appropriate for us to be having those difficult emotions. Maybe we have to go to work, or maybe we are raising children. There are times when our difficult emotions need to be on the back burner. What I would love to teach you is a method that I've developed to be able to help you take those difficult emotions and shift them into something that you really need to feel. Something that feels so yummy and nurturing, an emotional state that is just for you. I'm going to be teaching a workshop the second weekend of January 2026, and we're going to dive into the types of emotions that are going to be the most nurturing for you specifically. We're going to use creative techniques, some movement, and community to really explore what it is that you need to feel for 2026 and learn the techniques to go from a difficult or challenging emotional state to one that you really want to feel on the inside. I've been working with this tool all year in 2025, and it has been so helpful for me to shift myself out of some of the really old stories and ruminating thoughts at times when they're just not helpful, like when I'm trying to go to bed or I'm trying to get some work done. And so I would love to teach you to shift yourself into a new emotional state so that you can have a little more flexibility over your emotional landscape in 2026.